Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We have a superstar of HMT lineup today, arguably the most popular watch in the HMT watch community, HMT Pilot. My first watch was HMT Pilot. After buying this watch, there was no looking back. I was way too deep in the rabbit hole. I have several HMT watches in my collection, but there is something about HMT Pilot that puts a smile on my face every time I look at it. I think it's the perfection of this watch that makes every watch lover go gaga over it. The aesthetics and the appeal of this watch is second to none. One of my friends who had started collecting HMT watches a few years ago suggested that if I ever start to collect HMT watches, I should start off with HMT Pilot. He actually sourced this watch for me. I'm thankful that he put me in the right direction. The appearance of the dial through the domed crystal is just mesmerizing. The black dial with curved hands adds to the magic. This watch can be a formal watch as well as a great weekender watch. As my knowledge grew about HMT and the art of watchmaking, my fascination for watches soared as well. I went about acquiring watches from HMT like Janata, Jawan, Citizen, and so on. Since this was an Indian brand, the simplicity of HMT watches were very irresistible to me. Being an Indian, my heart always beats for HMT watches. HMT Pilot is 37 mm in diameter including the crown. Lug to lug it's 42 mm with a height of 10 mm and lug width of 18 mm. HMT Pilot comes in a pipe and case, brushed finish on the sides and shiny mirror finish on top. The dial is jet black with applied HMT logo and name Pilot printed on it. Luminous Dauphine, minute and hour hands, sweeping cherry red seconds hand. There is only one numeral on the dial at 12 o'clock, 3 applied indices at 3, 6 and 9 o'clock. The loom on this watch is applied by hands, intricate work mastered by HMT workers. The watch functions at 18,000 bph, that is beats per hour. It is not the smoothest sweep out there, but at the price point one really cannot complain. HMT Pilot comes with standard 0231 in-house hand-wound moment with 17 jewels with power reserve of a little over 30 hours. The only downside of this watch will be the loom. The luminous paint used by HMT must be of bad quality, because even after using the black light to excite the loom, the glow doesn't last more than 10 minutes. On the wrist, HMT Pilot fits very well. There's absolutely no discomfort. This case is used in most of the popular HMT watches, be it Pilot, Sherpa, Janata, Jawan, the list goes on. So my opinion on how this watch sits on your wrist is same for all these watches. And on the case back it's mentioned that it's shock resistant and water resistant, but it can take few bumps when you're wearing the watch, and I never advise HMT watches to be taken to the water anyway. HMT Pilot looks very formal with a leather strap. Not a great choice for summer, but it will do the job. Here is how it looks on a NATO strap. Good combination in my opinion. NATO makes the watch look casual and a better choice for summer. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below.